Hello everyone! Today we're gonna learn some English idioms used with the word home or house. Are you ready? Let's get started. First one, make yourself at home. It means feel comfortable. Yani özünü evindeki kimi hiss elə. Second one, home sweet home. It's said when you are happy to be home. Yani evim, güzel evim. The third one, hit somebody close to home. Yani kimisə can evindən vurmaq. Example, that movie hit me close to home. O kino məni can evimdən vurdu. Yəni emosional olaraq mənə təsir etdi anlamına gəlir. Fourth one, bring home to somebody. Yəni kimisə gözünü açmaq. Example, that example really brought home to me. The fifth one, there is no place like home. Ev kimisi yoxdur. Sixth one, get on like a house on fire. What does it mean? Tez bir zamanda yaxın dost olmaq. Example, I was worried that they wouldn't like each other. But in fact, they are getting on like a house on fire. Which one did you like a lot? Comment below.